In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the checkout page on Wix. If you're looking to give your online store a unique touch that aligns with your brand's personality, you've come to the right place. Customizing your checkout page can enhance your customer's experience, making it more personalized and effective. First, we're going to start by accessing your site's dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Think of it like the control center for all your website's operations. Once you're logged in, you'll see a variety of options, but today our focus is on the checkout settings. Look for the settings icon or menu option and navigate to the part that says Checkout Settings. This is usually found under the e-commerce or store section, depending on how your dashboard is configured. Once you're in the checkout settings, you should see an option labeled Edit under Checkout Form. This is where you can start personalizing your checkout page. Click on Edit. This action takes you to a new page where you'll have various options to tailor the checkout form to fit your branding and your business needs. Here, you have the flexibility to add, remove, or reorder the fields displayed to your customers during checkout. Maybe you want to add a field that asks your customers how they found your store, or perhaps remove a field that you feel is unnecessary, potentially speeding up the checkout process. A win-win situation for both you and your customers. A pro tip here is to keep your checkout page as simple and user-friendly as possible. Remember, the primary goal is to reduce friction in the purchasing process, making it seamless for your customers. You can also customize the text that appears, which can be a great way to inject your brand's voice and tone. For example, instead of the generic Complete Purchase button, you might want to say, "Let's get this to you," or something that resonates more with your brand identity. Once you've made all your changes, ensure you save your work. Look for the Save button, which is usually located at the top or bottom of the page. Click it to ensure your customizations are captured and applied to your checkout page. After saving, it's always a good idea to preview the page. This helps to double-check how everything looks from a customer's perspective and ensure the functionality and aesthetics meet your expectations. To do this, head over to your site and navigate to the checkout page as if you're a customer. This will offer you a sneak peek into what your buyers will experience. By customizing your checkout page on Wix, you not only enhance the customer journey, but also help your business stand out in a competitive market. I hope this guide helps you create a more engaging and streamlined shopping experience for your customers on Wix. Thank you for joining me today, and happy customizing!